Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8th Subject English.
Good morning, students. Hope you all well. Today we are going to study the 10th chapter, the correct use of adverb. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, you have to take the page number 65, the correct use of adverb. Rules about use of adverbs. Two negatives should not be used in the same sentence. Let us see the examples. I could not find it nowhere. I could not find it anywhere. So here is the right. I could not find it anywhere. Next one. Adjectives should not be used in the place of adverb. He will pay heavy for his mistakes. He will pay heavily for his mistakes. Here is the correct answer is he will pay heavily for his mistakes. Ever should not be used wrongly for never. We seldom or ever visit our relatives. We seldom or never visit our relatives. Here is second one is the right answer. Not the meaning and use of else, but and other than. Else should be followed by but, other should be followed by than. It was nothing else but his pride. It was nothing else than his pride. Here is the first one is right. Now take the page number 66. Very is used with a positive degree of adjective and much is used with a comparative degree of adjectives. She is very happy now. She is much happier now. Radha is very tall girl. Radha is much taller than Asha. The base form of a verb plus ing and a past participle form of verb can be used as adjectives. The base form of the verb plus ing form takes very with it. The past participle form takes much with it. It is a very surprising news. We were much surprised at the news. It was very disturbing incident. He was much disturbed after his son's death. A few past participle form can take very with them. She was very pleased to hear this. I am very tired after the day's work. The adverb to means more than desirable. It should not be used in the sense of very or much. I am too pleased with you. I am very pleased with you. Here is very pleased with you is right. To and enough are positive in the meaning. To is used before the adjectives it qualifies. Enough is used after the adjective it qualifies. He is too weak to walk. I am too late for the train. Mangal is rich enough to buy a car. She is intelligent enough to understand it. The adverb never can't be used with the adverb indicating some point of time. We can't use never in place of not. I never remember having met her. I don't remember having met her. I never remember having met her is wrong here. I don't remember having met her is right. An adverb quite meaning fairly, sufficiently or not very, we can't use it in the sense of very. You are quite late for the train. You are very late for the train. Quite late for the train is wrong. Mistakes are often made by students in the use of yes or no in answering a question. A yes answer should be followed by a affirmative verb. A no answer should be followed by negative verb. Didn't you find him at home? Yes, I did not find him at home. Yes, I did. I did find him at home. No, I did not find him at home. No, I did find him at home. Little or not much. See the page 39 for relevant rules. The page number 34, there are some rules about using this type of sentences. You have to see that one. Next, you choose the correct word of each blank. Water in the tub is quite very dirty. You have to do this one with the use of answer key. And the next page, In page number 68, 10 of following sentences are incorrect while the other are correct. Find out the incorrect ones and rewrite them correctly. You have to do this one with the help of answer key. And the page number 69, still yet already. Still means that something is the same as before. I have eaten a lot but I am still hungry. And it is started raining an hour ago and it is still raining. It means until now. An adverb it is usually placed at the end of the sentence. It is used in the negative sentence and in the questions. Where is Anu? She isn't here yet. And she will be here, but until now she hasn't come. Aren't you ready to go yet? No, yet. I will be ready, but I am not ready at the moment. Already means earlier than expect. What time is the train arriving? It has already arrived. I will tell you the truth, I already know it. So, not different between it and still. She hasn't gone yet. She is still here. She is yet here. He hasn't finished eating yet. He is still eating. He is yet eating. And 69 is a homework. Fill in the blanks with already, yet, or still. And the page number 17 is also homework. You have to do this one. Thank you, children.